Hello everyone, welcome back. Is Opencode free? In this video, I'll explain whether Opencode is free to use, how it works, and what you actually get without paying anything. Opencode is an open source AI coding agent that helps you write and run code directly in your terminal, IDE, or desktop app. It is built to work with different AI models and different editors, giving developers a lot of flexibility. Now, the short answer is yes, Opencode is free. Opencode itself is completely open source and available under the MIT license. That means you can download it, use it, and even modify it without paying for the tool itself. There's no subscription required. Opencode connects to AI models. Some of those models are free, like local models you run on your own machine. Others, like ChatGPT Plus or GitHub Copilot, may require a paid account. In that case, you are paying for the model, not for Opencode. So, if you want a free, open source coding agent that you can run locally and fully control, Opencode is free and a great choice.